guys, welcome here. My name is Deepak Cha and today we will learn about height and width in CSS. The height and width property are used to set the height and width of the element. The height and width property do not include padding, border, margin. It sets the height and width of the area inside the padding, border or the margin of element. And the height and width property may have the following value like auto, this is the default one, and the browser calculate the height and width, and you can set the value of height and width in pixels, and there are many other formats. And you can also set the height and width in the percentage too, and the 100% means the full available size of screen or the parent element. And we use initial when we want to set some default value, and with inherit we inherit the height and width from the parent element. So let's take an example first. So copy this code and paste here and save the file first, and I'm gonna use the name is CSS HW. HW is for the height width, just an initial. Alright, save the file now, and it's a height width example. Okay, fine. Now remove the last paragraph, okay, and remove the old CSS. Alright, here I am gonna use background color. Okay, now save the file and run in the browser. Alright, so now you can see the background color orange is applied on. Now we will apply height of the div. So let's use auto and now apply width of the div and auto. So I have already told you that auto is for the default value and default is already applied by the browser. Now let's use the height in pixel. So I have used 100 pixel and refresh. So now you can check the height of the div is 100 pixel. And let's use width in the percentage value. So I'm going to use the 50%, means the half of the screen. So you can see the div width is half and it's according to the size of screen, and you can see if screen size increases, then the div size also increases, and width is 50%. And there are another value that is inherit, means it will inherit from the parent value. Okay, all right.